Hello everyone. In this video, I will be telling you about computer memory and its storage devices. First of all, let us understand what memory is. A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. The storage capacity of a computer is called its memory. Memory enables the computer to store instructions and data. A computer has a huge storage capacity. There are two types of computer memory in which the computer stores the data: primary memory and secondary memory. Let me explain you about primary memory first. Primary memory is also called as internal memory, and it is an important part of a computer. It is the main area in a computer where the data is stored. Primary memory is further classified into two types, that is random access memory and read-only memory. So students, let me explain you random access memory first. What is random access memory? Random access memory is a temporary memory. It is a volatile memory. What is volatile? That means the memory that loses its content when the computer is turned off. Let me take a simple example to make the concept more clear. You are typing a letter on the computer and the power goes off. Students, the content of your letter will get erased from RAM. Now let me start up with ROM. What is ROM? ROM is non-volatile memory. What is non-volatile memory? The memory that keeps its content even the power is lost. And ROM is permanent memory. As students, I am over with primary memory. Now let me take up secondary memory. Secondary memory or external memory is where the programs and data are stored on a long-term basis. It is different from primary memory in the fact that it is not directly accessible by the CPU. It is also called as auxiliary memory. The secondary memory is non-volatile, that is, it does not depend on power supply. Let me take some examples of secondary memory. Hard disk. A hard disk drive is also known as hard drive. It is used to store data permanently. Hard drive come in different storage capacities. For example, 80 GB, 160 GB, etc. Hard disk is made up of collection of disks, one below the other, known as platters, on which the data is recorded. Let me take some other common examples of secondary device. CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. It is used to store a variety of information, images, games, etc. Its main advantage is that it is portable and can hold a large amount of data. Next is your DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc. A DVD looks similar to a CD, but it can hold 25 times more data than a CD. Students, DVD is having a large capacity than a CD. Flash drive is a small portable device that can be used to store, access and transfer data. Due, it, due to its small size, it is commonly called pen drive or USB drive. We can read, write, copy, delete or move data from computer to pen drive or vice versa. Okay students, I think computer memory and storage devices are clear to you now. Thank you.